Hey guys, welcome back. Today, you're gonna watch me get paid to break into somebody's car. They're stuck way out in the forest, out by Sutter Lake, and it's 9 degrees out. So we're rushing over there trying to get to her as quickly as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna break into this car as fast as I can, and you guys are gonna get to see it, so stay tuned. It always happens at the worst time. Like second coldest day of the year.
I know, when they pulled up, I was on the phone with a friend that lives in Colorado, and I was just telling her, I said, yeah, it's probably just a little, below freezing. Well, they pulled up when we were talking, and their car says it's 9 degrees.
Oh, yeah.
And it's like, oh my God, you're going to freeze to death.
Yeah, I had my heat blasting for you. And I was just gonna have you sit in my truck. You are welcome to go hop in my truck. I can start back up for you. Now sometimes these are super tricky and sometimes they go like butter. I wanna try to get this done for you as quickly as possible. Just a little more.
Does it make you nervous to me watching?
Oh no, this is exciting. There you go. Come on down. Okay, one sec. Let me get this stuff out.
It's so easy. I mean, well,
I'm telling you, it actually takes a lot of practice.
I bet. I remember the old days when you used to have a clothes hanger and you could pop up the little buttons.
Yeah. None of those have those buttons anymore.
Supposedly proof, so people can't break into them. Well, people still break them.
There you go.
Oh, honest people can't get into it.
All right, well, start her up, crank that heat. All right. Nice and easy, nice and quick. Almost forgot. Here's a sticker for you. All right, I hope you guys like that one. That was nice and quick. I love getting paid to break into cars. It's one of my favorite things. Yeah, breaking into cars and getting paid for it. One of my favorite jobs other than off-road recovery, hands down. But anyway, if y'all haven't seen the Fuso yet, I'm gonna do a quick little walk around. I love this truck. It's a 2007 Mitsubishi Fuso FG. And yeah, here she is. Now it's not built up yet. We still got to get some real tires on her. But gets the job done for now. Little custom bumper we built. This thing's pretty cool because, you take these off and the bumper tilts forward so that you can tilt the cab. Cab tilts this way and you can access the engine. And if you really need access, you can slide the flatbed all the way back and flip the cab, and you have access to the transmission, transfer case, engine, radiator, frame, everything. It's really convenient. We got a little toolbox here we put in. Yeah, these tires, they do need some upgrading, but we got to wait on some stuff for that. Just waiting on parts. Anyway, here she is, Mitsubishi Fuso. All right, guys, if you ain't getting stuck or locked out of your car, you ain't trying hard enough. Take it easy. See you guys next time. All right, let's go home.